Do you know what the warning signs of a leaky slab are? If not, you could end up with significant damage to your property down the road. Cracked or burst pipes in your slab can even lead to health issues related to exposures to dangerous black mold. As a homeowner, you must ensure your plumbing system stays in good working order. But how do you do this? Keep watching to learn these 6 common causes of plumbing issues. The telltale signs of a leaky slab include the following: damp spots on your floor or carpet, unusually high utility bills, sounds of running water, or even musty or foul smells. If you notice any of these signs, you should contact a plumbing expert. Pressure can be placed on your plumbing system by soil erosion, natural shifts in the ground, and more. No matter the source of the pipe stress, these factors contribute to large and costly slab repairs. You should also keep a close eye on your water quality and chemistry. Excessively acidic or overly alkaline chemistry can lead to more rapid pipe corrosion. The optimal pH for your water system is between 6.5 and 8.5. Anything above or below comes with the potential for damage to your pipes over time. Another major cause of slab leaks is faulty construction. This can take the form of poor quality pipes or improperly installed plumbing. If your water pipes accidentally got dented, bent, or kinked during their initial installation, the affected areas could eventually lead to leaks. The older your residence is, the more likely it becomes for pipes to leak or burst. Older homes were often installed with galvanized steel or copper pipes. Both of these materials are more likely to experience corrosion, abrasion, or other damage. Abrasion in your pipes can also occur externally. This happens when pipes rub against other materials such as gravel, concrete, neighboring pipes, or other materials. No matter the materials, constant friction can wreak havoc with pipes. When it comes to plumbing, it is never a good idea to take a wait-and-see approach. When you notice something amiss, contact a plumber. Here at Smelscer Plumbing, we offer trenchless pipe repair with 24-hour emergency repair service. We proudly serve Waco, Texas and surrounding areas. Call or click today for more information.